Hello. Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we are conducting our investigation statically on Agent Tesla sample. Let's try to some portable executable identification through hex editor. And of course, we have a MZ, but we maybe find some blobs and look like our sample is packed in some way. Let us try to indicate it through detect it easy and then check the entropy and the dot text section is packet but the packet is unknown. Please remember, maybe the packet sample or the packing result is not maybe is accurate because sometimes the threat actor will trying to insert a thousand other lines of a junky or deadly code to make um, software or the malicious file appear being packed or obfuscated. Again, we can try to right click and properties to get a more information about it. Debug.exe, project name, file description, and project version, and copyright, and there are no digital signature. So we can now trying to use flosses for our string investigation and let us see what's the information we will get through flosses. Okay, and let's looking for a more information. So actually we found something interesting, the IP addresses and the base 64 data. So let's try to copy it and open the cyberchef.org and let's see if there are any relevant information that we can achieve through it from base 64, and there are no relevant information, but let's try to check more. We have this IP address as a proxy, we have username text box and other stuff. So it look like this software is user graphical user interface and that's a pocket version. I mean, let's try to use this one, the slide. So it's not relevant. Okay, we have the other tool. It's called default dot. Just copy it, go to the download and extract a default dot. Let us see what information that we got through it and default dot, and of course that's a 32-bit and graphical user interface. Presses any key. So actually the entropy is a packet, but let's try to the cleaned version. Entropy again same. Let's try to use .NET slider. Right click, extract all, open /UI and run anyway and wait until the operation start. Back to download, picture AJ and start the obfuscation. Agent Tesla. Okay, close it, click picture, we have a slide, check the entropy, again it's a packet, and again let's try to go the download, default node, find a real sample of Agent Tesla and open DNSpy to conducting some information and the capability of the Agent Tesla and see what we can find through this malicious file that we are dumped through Wireshark. So all on the device, to don't be the same issue, wait for DNSpy and let's see what other information we will find. and you can drag and drop, or you can click file and then open and then import this agent Tesla file. It's very easy, not some kind of the hard. You can click the debug and debug. Again, you find a more relevant information like a data receive, binding data, ports and other stuff as data receiver 1, locate, and the other information data send, and trying to connect it through the host, IP addresses and port, and file helper, and get a file, listing folders, stack IP address, stack monitor, and the start operation. So that could be a path. Okay, so that's a boat, and let's try to read it. String version, and those malicious IP addresses, it will like be a metasploit or maybe not. Bot message handler, ignored message. So in same way, that's incoming message. So it could use a Telegram bot, or that's a main form. That's a main form is available, and that's encoded in some way. Text, password, and the others are maybe relevant information. Oh, it's a very long code. Maybe it's a junkie, but who knows. And let's try to back message int player, and it could be a decimal. Let's try decimal. Yes. Oh, not it's a hex. It's a hex. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. This one. So that's very good. And let's try what we found. Get connecting, got exit, and the other stuff connected to filter connected. So I think it's a main connection operation. Got player, bodies, and the other stuffs. That's very good. So that's actually it's very good. This is trying to go to the program itself. Main, properties, resources, and setting is maybe util crypto extension and the other relevant information. Retrieve and Win32, and that's actually it's a API, but actually it's trying to use a resource hacker and trying to no, the only manifest and the other information actually. So actually it's done about statically analysis the agent Tesla sample. Maybe in our next episode we will try to conducting dynamic analysis on agent Tesla sample to see what's the functionalities and what's trying to do after dynamic analysis. So please do not forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel for uploading a new video. Hello and hello and hello, welcome back to another episode. In this episode we will trying to use Procmon and Process Hacker for conducting an dynamic analysis on agent Tesla sample that we downloaded through this pickup file. So actually in the last episode we are conducting static investigation through some tools, but actually we don't get some much information that may be useful for our operation. So let's try to click a filter, and the process name is very important to us. Get a process name age.exe, and actually the operation is create file, write file, read file, and some others registry right click key, reg delete key, or reg open key, and red close key. Yeah, that's enough. And just click apply and click OK, and we will gonna run as administrator, because let's try to fix it. Through a resource hacker, we have this information that we are able to use both user mode execution and administration mode execution. So actually I will try to use administration level, because actually it's provide much relevant information. Just right click and run as administrator and just press yes. And thread found, I'll try to make it allow on this device, just for our investigation, to make be a little bit easier, and just trying to find AGE. So that's AGE. And if you go to the I think it's trying to kill itself. So actually trying to kill itself, maybe. Yeah, maybe trying to kill itself. But actually let's try to find any other relevant information that regarding to this stuffs. Oh, it's maybe trying to use a start up as a persistence. Just trying to get no task schedule. Let's try to task no. Yes. You can try to go to tool, file summary, by extension, and I think config, it's a config by exe. Oh my god, HCL viewer. No, just trying to copy it, and let's try to. So there are no paths by this name. Pictures. There are no. That's not available. HCL, the exe, no available. debug.exe, it's not available. Actually it may be not found, maybe. And let's try to check TIM file, and there are no much more information about it actually. Who knows, maybe let's try to run this. Try and go to updata, roaming. There are no. Oh, malhorse. No, it's X editor. It's an X editor, and that's not much information. Virtual store, maybe no. Trying to go to disk C, no. Windows, nothing. So actually, trying to back to process hacker. Still, AGE is running. Refresh, no, just information. Trying to go to network. AGE, so AGE is not available. So actually it's some conducting dynamic analysis on agent Tesla. We can just try to export configuration or save it as a CSV format, and yeah, that's important to us. And we can just try to in video and log file, save it, and that's all. We can try to use a prog dot in the next video to have a more visualized stuffs of our operation. Have a nice time.